Yes, YouTube. Good morning and welcome back again. You know, what a week. What a week. But after rain, the sun will shine, right? The thing is now, max fear again for BTC. We came to sell side liquidity again. And usually you see that before huge moves coming in, right? What they're trying to do is they just try to stop out long positions to eventually go up, right? Buy themselves in a discount market with max fear to eventually go up again, right? So I want to show you guys today in this video what I'm expecting for today. We're entering the weekend as we speak. It's Friday, so we're entering the weekend. So usually what you see in a discount on a Friday morning is a huge pump, right? So I want to give you guys a trade for today. So this is also the trade I post in the group. Join the crypto gainers, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and with that said, guys, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and what you can see is that we're in a discount market again, right? We came for sell side liquidity underneath this double, underneath these 2 wicks here. So we perfectly dipped into it, right? We came also to this one or not, a little bit. It depends a little bit on which chart you're looking, right? But for now, we came for sell side liquidity, and that's what you want to see before you see upside, right? So I want to give you guys an entry and stop loss and some take profit levels for the coming days and coming week. So I'm expecting upside for BTC now. What you want to see after a liquidity sweep is that you wait for confirmation in case of a market structure shift, right? So let's go to the 15-minute time frame and let's create a setup here together. So what I'm expecting is BTC to come to the 618 or the 786 because there's liquidity again, right? So we dip into it to eventually go up. That's a little bit my plan, right? So we can put a entry level or an entry limit order on the 618. And you want to put your stop loss a little bit not too tight actually, because there's a possibility that we come for this last pull here, right, to create a sort of shark fin, bullish divergence to eventually rip to the moon. So I'm expecting here, I put my stop loss here. And again, guys, I also post this setup in the group, Crypto Gainers. That's our trading group. It's completely for free, and I post this kind of setups on a daily basis, the ones I trade myself, right? I remember it's not financial advice, but these are the trades I take myself, right? So again, I'm expecting BTC to come to buy side liquidity all the way to the top, because if you check the order book, there's crazy liquidity. And if you also go to CoinGlass, for example, if you go to CoinGlass, you can see that the majority is leaning short now at the moment, right? The amount of traders shoots to the moon actually on Hyperliquid. You can see that 47.2 K of total traders are in the market now active, and 32,000 traders are literally going long now at the moment. You can see that the big whales are leaning short still, so that's what you want to see before a rip to the moon actually, because you want to see a short squeeze, right? The most liquidity is on the upside, so 1 + 1 is 2, right? So we wait for retracement on the 618 to eventually trade till buy side liquidity. But the thing is, you want to take some profits under the on certain levels, right? Because we don't know for sure where the price is going, and one thing I've learned in trading is that you need to take profits, right? So what I'm doing actually is I pull a fib on the daily time frame on this. Let me check here. I think this was buy side liquidity. Excuse me, I wasn't Yeah, this one. We're trading to this pool of liquidity actually. So what I'm doing actually on the daily time frame, we pull a fib bearish and we take some profit on certain important levels. You can see the 618 is very respected. We rejected it twice. That means that's manipulation, right? They push the price down because there was a pool of liquidity, so they want to grab it, and now it's time to go up, I think, right? So again, guys, we want to take some profit on certain levels, so let's take profit on the 50 line here. And remember, this is a swing trade, so this can take a while actually to play out, but you know, patience is the key, and let's make some gains, huh? So again, TP on the 50 line, TP on the 786, because this I'm expecting less resistance on the 618 because we already came there 1, 2, 3, 4 times, right? 5 times actually. So again, let's take profit level, buy side liquidity, because there's crazy pool of liquidity, right? What you want to do actually in case of trading, because once we sweep liquidity to buy side liquidity here, you can leave 25% or 50% of your trade. That's completely up to you, right? But you know, the thing is, just take profits. You know, we've learned that in the past, right? So there's a fair value gap here also on the 4-hour time frame, and you know, this is actually institutional footprint. You know, you can see that they dumped the price crazy. There are no orders, so we need to fill that gap in the order book to snap up, see a sort of retracement on this resistance level here, to buy again on the 618, to as I flip this 618 to eventually go to buy side liquidity. That's a little bit what I'm expecting, what my plan is for the coming days. You know, last week we got stopped out, unfortunately. Again, guys, join the crypto gainers. You know, if you go to today's video's description, you can see that we have a trading group here. Join the crypto gainers community. Once you click this link, you will get redirected to the Discord server. And this is actually the server. You know, you can see that I post a lot of updates on a daily basis to keep you guys updated, you know, and it's completely for free, right? You see that we also have a premium section. If you want to join the premium section, you have to use one of these links to upgrade to premium, right? The thing is, now you can see that I posted this setup also, the one I'm explaining you guys now, already in the group. So if you want to stay updated, join the crypto gainers and you're more than welcome. So again, guys, you know, we're taking profits on the 50 line, and we can say that we take out here order size to become risk-free in our trade, right? To take out order size, and eventually you want to put your stop loss above your entry level to play break even and to become risk-free, right? So TP2 is on the 786 and TP3 is on buy side liquidity, and you can choose yourself if you want to take out, if you want to leave 25 or 50%, right, of your trade, because there's a high possibility that we snap up and see new all-time highs, right? You know, like this video, subscribe to my channel, because during this trade I will record more updates for you guys, so you guys stay updated. And I will also post a video about my prediction once we break all-time high, right, for BTC. So again, guys, let's put a long position here and let's see what's our risk reward ratio. Again, this is a nice tight stop loss. Remember, there's some liquidity underneath this this wick here, so you don't want to get stopped out. So what we can do is we can put it a little bit more wide, like this. So we don't miss this trade, right? So risk reward ratio of 6-2, so that's very nice, right? You know, there's we have a new collaboration with MEXC at the moment, and MEXC provides 0 fees. And if you want to take this trade with 0 fees on BTC and 99 other pairs at the moment, Ethereum, all those assets at the moment, you know, go to today's video's description and you can see this top link, MEXC Exchange. Once you register, you receive a 30 USDT immediately for free, which you can use for leverage trading or to take this trade I showed you guys now in this video, right? Exclusive crypto gainers offer a 10% lifetime discount on your trading fee. So once this 0 fee fest is ended, you will get a 10% lifetime discount on your trading fees, right? So once you deposit 100 USDT, you will get 200 USDT bonus, no KYC, and literally the lowest fees in the industry, right? So again, guys, sign up, click the link. Once you click the link, you'll get redirected to the landing page. You click register now, you receive your 30 USDT, which you can use for this trade now at the moment. Once you deposit, you receive 200 USDT extra, and you get a 10% discount on your trading fees, right? So again, guys, you know, this is a nice setup for the coming day and next week. Wait for retracement like this. Go to the 1 hour time frame. You can see that we are already coming back now. So wait for retracement to enter on the 618. Take out your order size at the 50 line. Wait for retracement, and then it's just go time. What you have to do actually is once we retrace this 618 here, you put your stop loss at break even and you can just let it play out, right? Again, guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and join the crypto gainers. And with that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.